Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Today I am going to reveal about Arnab Goswami. Arnab Goswami was born on March 7, 1973 in Guwahati, Assam. His father name is Manoranjan Goswami and mother Suprabha Goswami. Arnab's father served the Indian Army and later on joined Bharatiya Janata Party, while his mother is an author. Arnab Goswami married to P.P. Goswami. The two became friends when they were studying at Hindu College. Arnab Goswami attended various schools in India as his father was an army personnel. Arnab passed his secondary examination from St. Mary's School in Delhi Cantonment and passed his senior secondary examination from Kendriya Vidyalaya in Jabalpur Cantonment. He completed his BA Honours in Sociology from Hindu College, University of Delhi. In 1994, he moved to England to complete his Masters in Social Anthropology from St. Anthony College, Oxford University. Arnab was a Felix Scholar in Oxford. In the year of 2000, Arnab was a visiting D.C. Pavitt Fellow at the International Studies Department at Sydney Sussex College, Cambridge University. Arnab Goswami started his career in journalism with the Telegraph in Kolkata and within a year moved to Delhi and joined NDTV. In NDTV, Goswami anchored News Hour and simultaneously anchored News Tonight, which was telecasted for DD Metro. In 2004, Goswami won the Best News Anchor of Asia in Asian Television Awards from Newsnight. In the year 2006, Arnab Goswami joined Times Now News Channel as its editor-in-chief and left NDTV. In Times Now, Arnab hosted a program Frankly Speaking with Arnab, where he interviewed eminent personalities like Benazir Bhutto, Hamid Karzai, Dalai Lama, Hillary Clinton, Narendra Modi, etc. On November 1, 2016, Goswami left Times Now, citing editorial differences, lack of journalistic freedom and newsroom politics. On May 6, 2017, Arnab started his new venture, Republic TV, which was funded by Asianet. Republic TV became the most watched English news channel in India since its establishment for 100 weeks in a row. In 2008, Arnab Goswami was honored with the Ramnath Goenka Award for Excellence in Journalism. In 2012, Arnab Goswami won the Envoy Awards for News Television Editor-in-Chief of the Year. On December 8, 2019, Arnab was unanimously elected as the President of News Broadcasting Federation. The federation consists of 78 channels which sought to replace NBSA. He hosted the show on 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks for 65 hours, live anchoring for 26 hours for October 2008 Trust Board.